Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the total distance covered by a car in 2.1 hours if the speed of the car is 25.68 km per hour. Now we know that the relation between distance, speed and time is distance equals speed multiplied by time. Now speed is given as 25.68 km per hour and time is equals to 0.1 hours. So let's simplify this further. So 25.68 multiplied by 2.1. So 8 multiplied by 1 will be 8, 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. And then we have 8 multiplied by 2 which is 16. Then we have 1 as a carry. So 6 multiplied by 12 is 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 and 12 plus the carry which is 1 will be equals 13. So we will have 13 over here. Again we have 1 as a carry. So 5 multiplied by 2 will be equals 10. 10 plus 1 will be equals 11. Again we have 1 as a carry. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 will be equals 5. So 8, 6 plus 6 will be equals 12. 5 plus 3 plus 1 will be equals 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 2 plus 1 which is 3 and 5. Now in the first portion, that is 25.68, the decimal is 2 places from the left hand side, and for 2.1 the decimal is 1 places from the left hand side. So the point in the final answer will be 3 places from the right hand side. So 1, 2, 3. So we will put the point over here or the decimal over here. So the final answer will be 53.928 kilometer. So this will be our required final answer. Upon checking the options, we see that option D will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.